easy to prep meal is perfect for supper or for a small meal prep dish. You can make this out of leftover chicken and those random cans of vegetables in your pantry. All you need is Pillsbury Refrigerated Pie Crust, available at any grocery store, and of course, your Lodge cast iron skillet. For the full recipe and many more, go ahead and visit KathleenRoseReyes.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you don't want to miss next week's upload. Ingredients: 3 to 4 cups of chopped chicken, canned cream of mushroom, canned cream of chicken, canned corn, canned peas and carrots, and canned chicken broth. And you'll also need 1 crust of Pillsbury Refrigerated Pie Crust roll. Roll out your Pillsbury pie crust flat and let it set to room temperature. You're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to get it going. Add your chopped chicken pieces into the cast iron skillet, and then add your corn, your cream of mushroom, peas and carrots, and then add your cream of chicken. You can also add chicken broth, which is optional. Mix until everything has been incorporated, and then you're going to place the pie crust on top and do your best to pat down the surface of the crust. Cut the slices in the center for steam ventilation, and then you're going to bake until the surface has a golden brown toast to it. Once you see that, you'll know that the pie crust is done. Go ahead and serve it hot and enjoy.